week's Cooking at Riegelmann's. We're in the Jen Air kitchen. And I've got some very special guests. I've got some Girl Scouts from the Vancouver chapter. They were the winner of this year's Kid Fest. And with them, I've got Ronda from BonCook, and we are gonna make some salsa rice. So how do we start?
So we want to add the rice, 2 cups of rice. If you want to pour that all in there, that would be great. And then to that rice, we're going to add double the water. So that would be 4 cups of water. So that's so perfect. Okay, so now how we're bringing the flavors to the rice to make it lovely and with color and everything else is we're going to add some salsa. So if you want to add that in, very nice. Okay, and then this little darling here, you're going to add some seasoning. It's a roasted onion and bell pepper from our French pantry at BonCook. And then we're also going to add, just for a little bit of fun, because we love flavors, right? Yes? Yes. I realize I'm just going to pour just a little bit from here, right from the bottle. Okay. And so then we're going to give that a little bit of a stir.
And the beauty of this cookware, which is BonCook, is that it
Yes.
goes from preparation to oven, microwave, and then to serve. That's
So
great.
we're going to put this in the oven, or in the microwave, pardon me, for 20 minutes.
Okay.
Covered, and we're going to have beautiful steamed, perfect rice.
All right, let's do it.
Okay, so here we have this wonderful rice that was super easy to make. We just took this out of the microwave. The important thing is, though, steam is very, very hot. So you have to open very carefully. And look what you have.
Wow.
Okay, so now we're going to just give this a little toss.
Okay, we've got this all stirred up, plated. We've got some extra special guests. We've got more Girl Scouts that are going to be our taste testers. Come on in. You guys take a little taste and let us know what you think. Give us those big thumbs up, thumbs down.
Yeah.
Looking good. You can find this recipe and many others at cookingatriegelmanns.com. If you're interested in having your kids learn how to cook, you can go to ronda.boncook.com and find out how to sign up for some cooking classes. Thank you everyone for joining us from the Jen Air kitchen at Riegelmann's in downtown Gresham. Let's all wave. We'll see you next time.
Cooking at Riegelmann's is brought to you by Riegelmann's Appliance in downtown Gresham.